Finally got the key out. Had a good buddy who has experience in working facilities, told me that he had a lot of situations where they had keys broken off inside of locks. He told me a couple things to try, and sure enough it works. So let me show you how I did that. So these tool sets are little pick sets, hook and pick sets. I got those at Harbor Freight. I think each one of them was maybe $6, something like that. So fairly inexpensive. But the key to getting that key out of there, first of all, is to put a bunch of WD-40 in there, lubricate it up real good. Now, in my case, I still had some glue stuck in there around the key for when I was trying to use the glue stick to pull it out. So I used a little pick tool. These are like what your dentist uses, so maybe not the best correlation, but used a pick tool, kind of pick some of the glue out from around the key, sprayed WD-40 in there real good, and then just sort of get this in on either side of the key, work it a little bit, and eventually pulled it right out. So that problem's been solved, thank goodness. We're real excited. Next week, we're going to head off on a road trip. There'll be 6 of us total. We're hopping in this motorhome, and we're going to drive down to Kentucky, and we're going to enjoy the Bourbon Trail, see some different sites down in the Louisville area. You're coming along with us, of course. So we'll show you the campground. We also rented a cabin. We won't all 6 be sleeping in the motorhome. So we got our cabin down there as well. And then we'll be heading off to different distilleries, and I can't wait to show you some of the cool sites we're going to see down there. So before we take off on that trip, definitely wanted to make sure everything's good to go. So that was the reason we did the shakedown camping weekend last weekend. Took the motorhome up to Smithville, pretty close to our house here, and had a nice weekend. We had friends visiting with us there, and made sure everything in the motorhome was working okay. So we're leaving in less than a week. A couple things I want to take care of here, and then we'll be ready to go. We're camping this weekend. It's been a crazy busy summer, and we have not had a chance to get our motorhome out at all. We were out earlier this spring, I think in March, but we haven't gone camping since. So we're here at Smithville Lake in Smithville, Missouri, a beautiful lake, Corps of Engineer Lake. They've got some good campgrounds here. So we're here at Camp Branch, pretty close to where we live. And I've got everything parked and leveled. Slides are out. Got water hooked up here. But I got water hooked up. Kind of have a mess with the hose laying everywhere. And we got our electric hookup. So we're ready to go. Denise is on her way. She's coming in our truck, so she'll be here shortly, and we're just going to make sure everything is good to go for our big road trip that's coming up in a couple of weeks. Well, good morning. It's late morning actually, but beautiful day. It's warming up. Spent the night here at Crow's Creek in Smithville. It's a great campground if you're in this area. The lake is actually right on the other side of those trees. It's a great lake for boating, fishing, all kinds of fun stuff. In fact, my neighbor's got his boat getting ready to go out on the water. I was just going to try to walk the dog a little bit. We went to Captain's Corner last night for dinner in Smithville, just about 2 miles up the road from the campground. And it is delicious. So another place I highly recommend. So here we go down the path. You see a lot of sites are still empty this weekend, but it's a beautiful campground. Decent amount of trees, good space between sites, very comfortable place to be. So you should check it out if you're in the Smithville, Kansas City area. It's a good campground. Man, is it muggy out here. But we're gonna do cheese steaks for dinner. So I'm gonna get the Blackstone out, get stuff ready to go. Well, it's always the saddest part of the trip. I'm back here at storage. I'm going to put the motorhome away. Be sure to stick with us. Hit the bell. You'll be notified as soon as we post those cool distillery videos. It'll be a fun trip down in Kentucky. We're really looking forward to it. So until then, take care. We'll see you.